In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get shattered gold on the M10 Breacher. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into the gunsmith and go specifically into the customize tab up here and into your camo section. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go into this multiplayer tab and you're going to see all of the challenges that you have to go ahead and complete in order to work your way up to shattered gold. Now, unlike all of the other weapons, you actually only have to get 80 point blank kills with the M10 Breacher as well as all the other shotguns, which is actually fairly easy to go ahead and do. The best thing to do for this is just play those smaller maps. It doesn't really matter necessarily which game mode you want to go ahead and play. Objective-based game modes are usually pretty good because you can run into the objective like hardpoint, for example, and just try and get some of those point-blank kills knocked out there. But really, anything on a small map is going to be perfectly good for knocking out these 81s right here. This shouldn't take too many games. It should maybe take 3 or 4 max. For the first special camo, you got to get a kill without taking any damage 30 times with the M10 Breacher. This is also pretty easy to do. Once again, kind of same method. Play objective-based game mode, specifically something like hardpoint on smaller maps. It is going to be kind of annoying sometimes, especially with like all of the frags and whatnot that you end up going flying into those objectives. But at least you don't have to be up close and personal to get these kills done, even though you're going to get that kill a lot quicker if you are. So honestly, just do the same thing as these military camos right here. For the Raptor, you got to get 50 eliminations without having any attachments. This is super easy, super self-explanatory. Just get some kills. Objective-based game modes like hardpoint are the key. Moving on to mainframe though. You got to get 30 kills pretty much directly after or while you are sprinting with the M10 Breacher. This is also very, very easy to do. Kind of the same method. Hardpoint is the way to go for this challenge right here. Hop on that and you'll be able to knock this one out pretty quickly. Just sprint as much as possible, you know. This one is super self-explanatory. For shattered gold though, you do have to get 3 kills without dying 10 times. Usually this isn't that bad with other weapons. It is pretty bad with this one right here. I'm going to be honest. This one is a little rough. Just because to get the kills the easiest, you do have to be up close and personal. And most of the times you're getting, 1 or 2 kills and then possibly dying right after. With this shotgun, I would still recommend playing objective-based game modes. Maybe domination would be good for this one. And try and camp like outside of B zone. Kind of where their other zone is, whether it's C or A, and essentially just try and get kills as they're running in. You should be able to knock this out in like 3 or 4 games. But that is how you can get shattered gold here on the M10 Breacher. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.